Well, hello everybody! Guess who it is? It's me, and I am probably wearing the world's comfiest sweater. Holy cow. It is the 15th of November today. We are halfway through November. For most of you, I bet November is probably just another month of school, another month of work, another month of just whatever you're doing, but for the aspiring writers and novelists of the world, November means Nanowrimo! Woohoo! For those of you who don't know, Nanowrimo stands for National Novel Writing Month. Nanowrimo is something that happens in the month of November, and most of the people who do it are aspiring writers and novelists, or maybe they already are a novelist, or maybe they just want to write a novel. Whatever. Anyways, the challenge is that you have to write 50,000 words in a month. 50,000! This is my third year doing NaNoWriMo. The first year I did it, I failed miserably. The second year I did it, I completed the challenge and wrote 50,000 words and now have an actual novel. It just stays on my computer, but I did write it, so that's great. This is my third year doing it, and I'm halfway done. I'm currently on 28,000 words, which is about 40 pages, and I can't even believe it. I remember when I first heard about NaNoWriMo, and I was like, okay, 50,000, that's like a big number, but that doesn't really seem like that much. I'll probably write at least like 20,000 for every paper I do, so I mean, like, no big deal, right? Wrong. Big deal! Holy cow! Get all the sirens and start flashing red because holy cow, it is such a big number. It doesn't really hit you until you start writing it that most papers that you write are probably somewhere around 1,000 to 2,000 words. And that's like nothing compared to the entirety of NaNoWriMo. So to put it in perspective, basically if you do NaNoWriMo, you have to write at least 1,500 words every single night in order to finish by the end of November. If you're like me and you want to stay ahead, I've been writing 2,000 words a night, and that lets you finish on about November 25th, so you have a couple free days in there if during the month you just find that you can't write, or find that you're too busy, or you get 5 free days at the end of the month. I mean, kind of great. Basically that means every single night you have to write about 2,000 words. Like I said, most English papers that you write are probably going to be somewhere between 1,000 and 2,000 words. So imagine writing an entire English paper every single night. And that is NaNoWriMo. I have to say though that I actually love NaNoWriMo. Very difficult, definitely a hard thing to do, but I actually find it to be really fun. If you guys remember from the very first video I ever uploaded on YouTube, I said that I was an aspiring writer, and that still stands true today. I want to be a writer, so getting to have a month where NaNoWriMo forces you to write a novel is kind of great. I really like to come up with stories and just write a bunch of fiction and just write whatever I feel like it, no matter if it's good, no matter if it's bad, to just like write about whatever, and I find that really fun, so I like NaNoWriMo quite a bit. If any of y'all out there have ever participated in NaNoWriMo, let me know in the comments and we can like commiserate together, we can talk about our novels together, and it would be great fun. If any of y'all haven't heard of NaNoWriMo, then give it a try next year. I mean, you're welcome to start this year, but since we're already halfway through the month, it'll be like 2 times more difficult for you to write 50,000 words, so I don't want to put that pressure on you. Holy cow. I honestly kind of can't believe it's already halfway through the month and that I'm already halfway finished with my second novel that I've written. That's kind of crazy and kind of awesome. Okay, well that's all I have for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you yourself have participated in NaNoWriMo, if you finished NaNoWriMo, if you got like halfway through and didn't, and we can just talk about all of it together. And yeah, I will see you next Sunday. Bye!